I'm Likhna. I'm from Bennett University. Today our project is about hotel management system. One day, me and my friends went for outing to a small hotel nearby. So we saw them doing everything manually. Manually, in the present system, doing manually causes lot of errors. So we thought, why don't we use our Python to help them? So we planned of our hotel management system project. I wanted to thank my teachers, Vineet sir, Anirban sir, for helping me to do this project. And now my friends and co-team members are going to show you the features of our hotel management system.
This is Nikhil. I'm from Bennett University. Embedded in this login system are that first a customer or an employee have to sign into it, where it requires information like name, age, email, etc. And then you have to log into it. And once the information is stored, it will display the information of the customer or an employee.
Hi, I'm Soumya. I'm from Bennett University. Our project is hotel management system. Once the customer is logged in, then he or she can choose the room from the options below, and further the menu card is displayed, and the customer can order the items and the bill will be displayed online using Python.
As you can see here, this is the source code. Now we are going to execute it. Yes. Do you want to start? Yes. And enter sign up. Enter name. Enter email address. Enter age. Enter username. Enter password. Now we are going to do another sign up. Now we are logging into the system. See here the enrollment number and the name and the username, everything is displayed. Now we'll go to the name. Yes, this is the menu. Now we are going to give order. See, the total bill is printed here. Now we don't want to continue.